How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. So first thing what you want to do is you might have accidentally deleted your messages. So in that case, or you might have accidentally archived your messages. So in that case what you can do is simply tap on this archived messages, and here you'll be seeing all of your archived messages, and you can simply tap on it to unarchive the particular message just like that. So if you have accidentally deleted or like completely deleted the messages like this, then what you can do in that case is just for Android, WhatsApp will automatically back up your messages, your chats to Google Drive, and in iPhone, WhatsApp will automatically back up your messages in iCloud. So before uninstalling your WhatsApp, just make sure you have turned on your backup option. So to do that, just head over to your settings from over here, and once inside your settings, just click on this chats option over here, and just click on this chat backup, and just click on backup, and it will automatically back up every single message till now on your device. And as you can see, I've also enabled the automatic backups option to daily, which means it will automatically back up my chats like in a daily basis. So to recover your message, what you can do is just uninstall your application by simply heading over to Play Store and just searching for WhatsApp, and just make sure you uninstall your application. And once you uninstall your application, just make sure you reinstall it. So you have to wait for some time for it to reinstall. So once it gets downloaded, you just have to reopen your WhatsApp. So once you do that, I want you to come back to your Play Store just like this, and make sure you uninstall your WhatsApp and reinstall your WhatsApp once again. So once you successfully reinstall your account, your WhatsApp, you will be heading over to this page where you will have to re-enter your phone number which you used to register a WhatsApp account. And as I showed you before, if you had enabled your backup option, it will just simply click on register to restore all of your chats till the last date. So you just have to click on restore and wait for a few seconds for it to complete the restore, and just click on next from over here and complete your profile just like this. And you should still be seeing your deleted chats over there. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.